So guys, we would be looking over courses, certifications, tutorials and softwares that you would be needing to learn Arduino. So basically pretty much everything for Arduino, we will be just going overviewing them, and this is a must for Arduino beginners, for Arduino learners who have just started this. So watch this video till the end. Hey guys, this is Faisal FK Pathan from Passion Like Engineers. So today we'll be just going over all the things, the certifications till the courses in this video, and I'll be just going overviewing them. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so guys, for learning Arduino and for learning the certifications and courses, you might know that you have to go to various other websites, like 2 to 3 websites for certifications, for tutorials and all those stuff. But I have found one website that has all the things, almost all the things at one place. It is called GitConnect or gitconnected.com. As you can see guys, this is gitconnected.com, and this website is run by Trey. He's one of the content creators and one of the software developers. I would leave his details and all those stuff in the description, and here is the website. As you can see right here, there are some beginners tutorials for Arduino. There is a complete step-by-step guide for Arduino, as you can see, and he has also labeled this stuff. Like you can see right here, he's labeled it for free, for beginners, for paid and all the stuff. And on the right hand side you can also see the cost. Like some of them courses are free, like I have mentioned in my videos. Some of these courses are free, some of these courses are like beginners, advanced and interactive coding. Yeah, you can also learn the interactive coding. Like you can just watch the video and later on you can also execute the codes yourself. You can also learn to execute the coding and programming yourself in these tutorials. Okay, so yeah, and by the way, all the details and all the things for this video as well as this link of Git Connect will be dropped in the description. Guys, check the description. Okay, so as you can see, there are many tutorials right here. Get started with Arduino and learning Arduino. But as you can see right here, these are like some of the various popular platforms. As you can see, this is Coursera and this is YouTube right here. This is YouTube, this is Coursera, this is edx.org. These are some of the websites, or these are some of the platforms where you learn Arduino, where you learn various other tech or other contents. It's like a perfect landing page for learning Arduino, certifications, paid courses, free courses for Arduino. Okay, other than that, as I have mentioned before, like there are some interactive coding right here, so you can learn to code from the videos as well as the tutorials right here. But in order to do that, just a sec, in order to do that, before you need to log in or you need to sign in via your GitHub account. So if you don't know what is GitHub, GitHub is an open source platform for programmers, developers, hobbyists, basically engineers and all those tech guys. And if you are an engineer, you must have GitHub. So if you want to sign in with the GitHub, I would leave the link in the description, or you can just go to www.github.com, or you can just sign in on the top right corner of this screen right here, as you can see. And after signing in with the GitHub, you can just directly come to this page and you can see all those courses are available here. And at the top left corner right here, you can see that we have launched a coding interview course. So basically Trey and his mates also launch various courses. As I have mentioned, he's a content creator and he's a great contributor towards this community. So I would recommend you guys to check this website and check his courses and all those things in the description, guys. Other than that, as you can see, there's a resume builder, there are tutorials, news, blogs that are related to the Arduinos and all the tech, or I would say coding niche as we call it. And there is JoinStack. JoinStack is, I would say, his community where you can also meet the other programmers, developers, software engineers or hobbyists like me. You can just join it for free, and you can also build your profile right here. I would say this website is a must if you're an engineer, if you are a developer, if you are an hobbyist as well. Okay, so this website is must for me. Okay, that was it guys. I wanted to share this link and this video with you guys. The people who are new, the beginners I would say, who are learning Arduino and other programming things, I wanted to share this website with you because it provides basically pretty much everything for free, and it is like everything in one page. So there's that, and if you want all the details, it would be in the description. And if you want me to just go through each and every tutorial of this video, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know in my personal DMs. You can also follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel if you are new. If you have any suggestions or if you have any new topics for the videos for IoT based projects, PLC based projects, career oriented things, drop them in my comment section. That's it for me today guys. See you next time.